Since this is an easy assignment, I want you to spend a few minutes playing around with some of the things that you might not need right this minute, but they're good to know for the future. So if you go over here in your tracks, remember you can always change the size and make things bigger if you need more room. It's especially useful when you're working on an audio track, when you want to zoom in and see your sound waves in detail. So like if you blow it up and maybe this is a little noise that you want to edit out, you can see the little spike. So it's very useful to be able to customize your window by moving these around. And of course, they're in all the windows, so you can really customize it. You saw this when we've already moved that one around to do animation. But I just want you to know that all of those sizes of all the windows, you can move around. Let's say that you want to just blow up one window to fill your whole screen. Like if you're trying to do an animation over here, maybe you need the whole screen. If you press the tilde key, the tilde is the top left button on your keyboard, just to the left of number 1. It's a little squiggly line. If you click that, then it will fill up whatever panel that you're on or whatever window you're on. It will fill up the whole screen. And then when you want to go back, you just press tilde again.